if you want to add widget on your home screen on iPhone 16e, so first of all, we have to find a blank space in our home screen, hold our finger and press edit at the top left corner. Now let's press add widget. So here we can choose one of the following widgets. So there are actually many variants. For example, let's choose our weather widget. Now we're gonna find our forecast, or like basically you can choose any type of the widget. For example, this one. Now to move it to other space, simply hold your finger on it and drag it whenever you want. You can resize it and it will take any other form available, right? So for example, this one. Now when you're satisfied, simply press done at the top right corner and your widget is added. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.